want to use your Amex to pay through PayPal, Uber, or other apps. If you're running into issues linking your card, you're not alone. Today, we're adding your Amex as a payment method in third-party apps. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Amex is widely accepted by most major payment apps and services. The process is similar to adding any other credit card. For PayPal, the Wallet section. Log into your PayPal account and go to Wallet. Click Link a card and enter your Amex card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. PayPal will make a small temporary authorization to verify the card, which will fall off in a few days. For other apps, the payment settings. In apps like Uber, Airbnb, or DoorDash, go to the Payment section in the app settings. Tap Add Payment Method and enter your Amex details. The app will save it for future use. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: ensure your billing address is perfectly accurate. The most common reason for an Amex card being rejected in a third-party app is a billing address mismatch. Make sure the address you enter in the app is exactly as it appears on your Amex account, down to the abbreviation. So, just like that, you can use your Amex for all your app-based spending. Linking your card correctly goes a long way in earning rewards on purchases you're already making. Now I'm curious, which app do you use most often with your Amex? Ride sharing, food delivery, or something else? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.